Welcome to Marigold Lesson, He is my brother. In this session we shall read the prose by Sanat Kumar Bhatt and answer questions from the textbook.
He is my brother. Once upon a time there was a small hill. A path went up the hill. It went through thick and lovely woods of pine and fir trees. People often walked on it to a holy place. One day when the sun shone high in the sky, many people were seen climbing up the hill. They were climbing slowly and carefully. A girl also climbed the hill with them. Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. She carried a small boy on her back.
He was 4 years old. His hair was curly, his eyes were black and his face was as fresh as the morning dew. As the sunshine danced through the trees, Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily. Meena was happy. The boy was also happy.
A man in the group looked at Meena. He felt sorry for her. He asked her, "My child, why are you carrying a boy on your back? Don't you feel his load?" Meena looked at him in wonder. She could not understand him. Meena asked, "Load? Of course not, he is my brother."
Did you notice, her brother was unable to walk due to physical disability? Meena cared so much for him, she never felt him as load. Let's understand the meaning of new words. The word understand means to know the meaning of something that someone says.
Example sentences are: understanding the concept in math is very important. She explained the whole idea again, but I still didn't understand.
The word climbed means to go up or to go towards the top of something.
Example sentences are: the plane climbed quickly to a height of 30,000 feet. The sun climbed higher in the sky.
The word holy means very religious or pure.
Example sentences are: Buddha was regarded as righteous and holy. Mathura is a holy place.
The word slowly means at a slow speed.
Example sentences are: they walked slowly through the woods. She turned the handle and slowly opened the door.
The word sorry is used to express feeling sadness, sympathy, or disappointment, especially because something unpleasant has happened or been done.
Example sentences are: I'm just sorry about all the trouble I've caused to her. I'm sorry you're ill, I hope you get well soon.
The word load means the amount of weight carried, especially by a vehicle, a structure such as a bridge, or an animal.
Example sentences are: the maximum load for this lift is 8 persons. The old man was carrying a load of sticks.
Excellent. Both of you gave right examples for the new words. Now, let's answer the questions from the textbook. Where were the people going?
The people were going to a holy place.
What did the man say to Meena?
The man asked Meena that, why is she carrying her brother on her back?
Why do you think Meena was carrying her brother?
Meena was carrying her brother on her back, as he was unable to walk.
Well done. With this we have come to the end of the session 1 lesson, He is my brother.